How potato chips are made. Step-by-step process. The complete step-by-step process from farm to crunch potato chips are one of the most popular snacks worldwide. Their crispy texture and delicious flavor make them a favorite among many. But have you ever stopped to think about the complex process behind these crunchy treats? In this article, we'll take you on a detailed journey. From the humble potato growing in the fields to the final crunchy snack bag on store shelves. Growing the perfect potatoes. The process starts with selecting the right potato varieties. Not all potatoes are suitable for making chips. Farmers choose specific types that have the ideal starch content, texture, and size to ensure the best crunch and flavor. These potatoes are planted in large fields with nutrient-rich soil. Throughout the growing season, farmers monitor the plants closely, using modern agricultural techniques to protect them from pests and diseases. After several months, when the potatoes reach the right size and maturity, they are harvested carefully using specialized machinery designed to avoid bruising or damaging the potatoes. 2. Cleaning and sorting potatoes. Once harvested, the potatoes are transported to processing factories. The first step at the factory is a thorough cleaning process. Powerful water jets and brushes remove dirt, stones, and other debris from the potatoes. After cleaning, the potatoes are sorted by size and quality. Damaged or misshapen potatoes are removed because they can affect the quality of the final chips. Only the best potatoes continue to the next stages. 3. Peeling and slicing. Before slicing, most factories peel the potatoes to remove the skin. This is often done using abrasion machines or steam peelers, which gently remove the outer layer without wasting too much of the potato. Next comes slicing. The potatoes are cut into very thin slices using high-speed slicing machines. The thickness of the slices is crucial. Too thick, and the chips will be soggy. Too thin, and they may burn during frying. The slicing machines are adjusted to achieve the perfect thickness for crispy chips. 4. Washing off excess starch. After slicing, the potato slices contain a lot of surface starch, which can make the chips stick together and reduce their crispiness. To prevent this, the slices are washed in cold water several times to remove the excess starch. This step helps create a light, crunchy texture that chip lovers enjoy. 5. Frying in hot oil. The washed slices are then transferred to giant fryers filled with hot oil, usually vegetable oil or sunflower oil. They are fried at a controlled temperature, usually around 175 degrees Celsius, 347 degrees Fahrenheit, for a few minutes. During frying, the moisture inside the potato slices evaporates, causing the chips to become crispy and golden brown. The temperature and frying time are carefully monitored to ensure consistent quality. 6. Removing excess oil. Once fried, the chips are lifted out of the oil and placed on conveyor belts with built-in drains or fans that remove excess oil. This makes the chips less greasy and improves their shelf life. 7. Adding flavor and seasonings. Now comes the fun part: flavoring. The chips move along seasoning belts where salt, spices, and other flavor powders are evenly sprinkled. From classic salted chips to barbecue, cheese, sour cream, and onion, and even exotic flavors, the seasoning process brings the chips to life and caters to different taste preferences. 8. Packaging and sealing. After flavoring, the chips are quickly packed into bags using automated machines. To keep the chips fresh and prevent crushing, the bags are filled with nitrogen gas instead of regular air. Nitrogen helps preserve crunchiness and extends the product's shelf life. The bags are then sealed tightly and prepared for boxing. 9. Distribution to stores. Finally, the packaged chips are boxed and shipped to supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machines worldwide. From the factory to your local store, the journey ends with you enjoying your favorite crunchy snack. Final thoughts. The making of potato chips is a perfect blend of agriculture, science, and technology. Next time you open a bag, appreciate the long and detailed process that brings this simple potato to your snack table. Crunchy, tasty, and ready to enjoy.